Their friends said they were crazy. First date in December, wedding in March. Sudden, spur of the moment. They didn't want to wait. His love took her breath away. Just seeing him made her heart beat faster. But then a damaged mitral valve almost stopped Norma's heart altogether. And at 86, she couldn't have open heart surgery. She couldn't walk. She could barely breathe. The situation seemed hopeless. That's when Penn Medicine offered her an advanced new procedure to repair her valve. An innovation called MitraClip. Norma and Tom found each other when they thought they'd never love again. She made it down the aisle for her first dance with her Marine. Today, with her whole life ahead of her, Norma once again knows what it feels like to live and love with all her heart.